Median. Now imagine there is a data given to you. So when you look at this lab equipment, we have arranged the data accordingly. So here in the given data, the first number is 2, second is 1, third is 2, fourth is 3, and the fifth data given there is 1. Now we need to find out the median of this given data. The first step is you need to arrange this whole data in the ascending order, that is numbers from small to big, increasing. So first let's do that. I'm going to rearrange this and arrange this in the ascending order. So I'm going to keep the 1s first, then we have the 2s and then 3. So this given data has been arranged in ascending order. So you can see this here. Now, how do we get the median of this? So this given data has 5 numbers. It's an odd number. So now look at the middle number. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The middle one here is the third number, right? So let's remove this third number out separately to understand that this is the median of this given data. Now, what if it's the data is given in even numbers? For example, I have another data here which is like this. Okay, so I have data given, there are 6 number of datas here. So now what will you do? You don't get a middle there, right? For 5 we got 3 as the middle, but for 6 we don't get a middle there. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this middle, that is 2 and 2 numbers from this side is left. So I'm going to take the middle 2 set of numbers here out. So we have taken third number which is 2 and the fourth number again which is 2. Now how do we get the median here is add these two numbers 2 plus 2 4 and divide it by 2. So that number is going to be the median of this given data. So basically the median is the middle number of the given data. If it is an odd number, select the middle one. If it is an even number, select the middle 2 numbers, add it and divide it by 2, which is the average of the 2 middle numbers, and find out the median of the given data.